John McKeag here, and I thought I'd do a video about vehicles and answer the question, what should we do with vehicles and the trust? So the question comes up, oh, I have the trust, what should I do with vehicles? You know, what should I do with my current vehicles? What should I do with vehicles? Now vehicles, we could talk about that. That could mean what? That could mean many things. A boat. It could mean uh, it could mean a car, truck, mobile home, anything that with a title, right? Anything with a title, anything with a title. So the title, right? The title is going to go in the name of the trust. Okay, simple. The title goes in the name of trust. So how do I do that? Well, you bring your paperwork in for your trust that you have. You know, your declaration of trust, your EIN. You bring it in to the office, DMV. Hey, I'd like to change the title over. Okay, no problem. And the registration stays the same? Yes. Okay, great. So your insurance stays the same for whatever vehicle we're talking about. Oh, we're getting a breeze here. Sorry about this. We're getting a breeze. A little breeze. I hope the wind's not going to mess up the video. So it's quite simple. And you're like, okay, well, I got a loan on a current vehicle. Okay, well, you want to end that situation. And that means maybe, oh, that's your person's name. Okay? Well, you don't want that, but you know it, you get out of it. But there's another thing you could do, okay? Let's look at the pretty bridge. There's another thing you could do, and that is lease a vehicle in your person's name. That's fine too, okay? Because you don't own it. It's not an asset, because the goal of the trust is own nothing, control everything. The trust's not going to own anything. It's okay if and the trust could lease something too. You can build credit for the trust, and the trust could lease a vehicle. No personal guarantee too. Different companies do that when you build the right credit profile. So it depends on your needs, you know. Oh, I need a dependable new vehicle. I drive it all the time. It's for work, blah, 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 whatever, you know. Okay, great. Lease a vehicle, okay? And learn how to build your credit for the trust and lease it that way, okay? Or you can lease it in your person. That's fine too, okay? Or you know, get an inexpensive vehicle and you know something already paid for, and put the title in the name of the trust or the boat. Yeah, you see boat, vehicles, whatever. I think it's a cute little spot. So anyway, quick video, what to do with vehicles, okay? What to do with the title. And of course that title is gonna, you know, put in the name of the trust. And so you own nothing, control everything. Of course, there are, you know, fees or whatever, but anything you do personally, right? Any problems, it'll relate to those assets. You see, so what do I do with vehicles? That's the way you do it. It's pretty easy. It's very simple. Okay. Have a wonderful day.